Part 8, we are going to continue with measures of central tendency, and we are going to focus on the median. You will find this on page 271 in the Namibian Mathematics Grade 9 textbook, Y equals mx plus c to success. Median. Suppose a company employs one manager and 6 clerks. Their monthly salaries are 6400, 3000, 3200, 2600, 2500, 2500, and 2200. The mean monthly salary is 3,200. However, we observe that the monthly salary of 5 of the staff are less than this mean of 3,200. Hence, this mean value is not a good representation of the center of this distribution. To obtain a more accurate representation of the data, one way is to use another type of average called the median. The median is the middle value when the data is rearranged in ascending order. For example, in the above case, the monthly salaries in ascending order are as follows. Now, so just take that values and arrange it from the smallest to the biggest. Now you can determine which value is in the middle. 3 on that side, 3 on that side, 1 is in the middle. So the median salary is in the middle position. The middle value is the 4th item. So the median salary is 2,600. Okay, let's look at an example. Find the median of the following set of data. We arrange the numbers in ascending order. Always remember. So from the smallest to the biggest. And as soon as you arrange it, scratch it, scratch it, scratch it, so that you make sure you did not leave out one. So again, now, if there's an odd amount of numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, odd, and I want to emphasize this, if there's an odd amount of numbers, there will be 1 in the middle. Okay, but if you look, if there's an even, okay, I'm going to write it with another color. If there's an even, that's an even amount, can I show you? Because it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So then there will actually be 2 values in the middle. So 2 values in the middle. And what do I do if there's 2 values in the middle? Then I just add it up and I just divide it by 2. So since there's an even number of items, the median is taken to be the mean of the 2 middle items. So it's this plus this, divide by 2, and that's 13.5. Okay, I want you to find, yes, I think we're going to do this one. Try now 11, number 2. You can stop the video, and as soon as you are finished, you can continue with the video. Okay, try now 11, number 2. The prices of a computer game in 7 shops are, there they give you the prices. Find the median price of the computer. Now remember, we're first going to arrange it from the smallest. Now it looks for me like 560. Now what I do is I scratch it. Okay, what is then 5 and then 6, 4, 0. 6, 5, there's, how many 6 are there? Can you see? So what is the smallest? 640. Okay. What is then? 650. And then 690. Okay, and now let's look again. 720, 780. So it's 720, 780. And then it's 800. And what I always do is I count. I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, but they also said 7 there. Okay. Now remember, if it's odd, there's only 1 in the middle. So it's 2 on the 3 on that side, 3 on that side, So the one in the middle will be 690. So find the median. So you can just say, therefore, the median price is, and then you just can say 690 point. Okay, let's go on. Now, in general, to obtain the median of a set of data, we arrange the data in ascending or descending order first. But usually, we arrange it in ascending order. If the total number of data is odd, the median is the middle value of the range. So there's one in the middle. If the total number of data is even, the median is the mean of the two middle values of the range data. So you take the two, you add it up, you divide it by 2. Note, if the distribution of a set of data has no extremely large or small values, it's better to use the mean as a measure of central tendency. If the distribution of data has extreme large or small values, it's better to use the median, and it's not affected by the extreme values. Okay, so if the values is more or less the same, the mean is a better value. And if the values is very extreme, very low, very high, then the median is a better estimate of the distribution. Okay, now this one. Finding the median from a frequency table. Now, this is a little bit complicated, so I'm going to try to show it to you to the best of my ability. The heights in centimeter of 18 learners are recorded. Okay, that is the height. Now can I just show you, and I'm going to explain it by this. I'm going to explain it here also. It actually means this data, and I'm going to write it out for you. That means there's 2 people with 154. Okay, there's 2 people 156. There's 5 people 158. One, two, three, four, 5. Okay, there is 1 people. Okay, I'm just going to continue here. 1 with 160, and there's 8 people 162. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so basically there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, 18 learners. Now, but it's just recorded in a table, and this makes it difficult to find. If it was like this, it was very easy. But I'm just going to use this to help you, because usually we put it in a table if the learners, say for example, are extremely high, so 100 learners, then it will be very difficult to write it out. Okay, so the total number of data is 18. Now you must focus that it's an even number. So the meaning there will be 2 in the middle. So so first we will find the middle position. So we will say always this formula. N plus 1, so the amount of learners, the frequency, plus 1 divided by 2. So if we take the frequency, we plus 1 divide 2, we get 19.5. But now, that is, it's in the middle between the 2 positions. So what you must do is you must find the position in front and the position at the back. So the median height is the mean of the data of the 9 and the 10. So remember, if it's 9.5, take the whole number in front, take the whole number after 9.5. So let's take, for example, if it was 6.5, then it would have been the 6, the whole number in front, as well as the whole number after 6.5, the 7th. Okay, this was just to show you how I do that. Okay, so it's the 9th and the 10th position. Now in the table, start adding up the frequency from left to right until you get the 9th and the 10th term. Then look in the height row to find that 2 values. So actually, okay, I'm going to first show you here. We're going to find that positions. That positions is the middle values. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Can you see 9? And 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. But now remember, I'm not having this. I only have the table. So what do? I start adding up. I start to say 2 plus 2, that's 4. Then I'm up to there. Plus 5, that's 9. So, okay, plus that 5. So basically the 9th position will be, but it's actually to say, this is the first and the second, the third and the fourth, the 5th, 6, 7, 8, and the 9th position is 158. Okay, so this is the 9th. And this, okay, then this one will be the 10th. And up to there will be the 18th. So this will be the 10th. So basically, you start adding up until you find the 9th. Then you look up to find that value. And what was that value? That value was 158. If you come to the 10th, you look up to find that 160. Okay, and then basically you just say 158 plus 160, and my answer will be 159, and that will be the median. So in this case, you would have just say 158 plus 160 divided by 2, and that would have given me a median of 159. But just remember, you first get the position by using the formula n plus 1 divide 2. But that is just to get the position. Okay. After you have the position, you must find the numbers by start adding up. And as soon as you come to the position, look up to find the number. Okay. Because in this one, it will not be possible to write it out. But I think what I will do is I will first give you, maybe this one will be more possible to write out. So do try now 12 number 2. Stop the video, and as soon as you are finished, you can continue with the video. If it's possible to write out the numbers in the exam, you can write it out if it's going to help you. Try now 12. And I'm at number 2. Now, 3 coins were tossed together 30 times, and the number of heads per throw was recorded. Okay. Now, again, I think what I'm going to do, I'm first going to do it for you on the written, and then I do the other method. Okay. So if you write out that numbers, it's meaning 0. So how many is 0 is how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1 is how many times? 12 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. 2 is how many times? Okay, 13 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 times. And 3 is how many times? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is actually if I was writing it out. But now, if I must find, so first what you must do is you must find the position. And how do you do that? You use the formula n plus 1 divided by 2. Now, what is the total frequency? 35. N is the total frequency. So, if you're going to say 35 divide by 2, and that is going to give you, now remember, this is an odd number. If it's an odd number, can you remember what I said? Odd, then how many will be in the middle? Then only 1 will be in the middle. When it was an even number, then how many was in the middle? 2 was in the middle. Okay. So in this case, I'm just going to continue. I'm just going to say 36 divide by 2. So it's the 18th position. it's actually meaning you must start adding up. Let me show you here. You must start adding up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, it looks like this is the 18th position, which is 2. But let's go back to the table. Let's start adding up. So you must say 5 plus 12. What is 5 plus 12? That is 17. That was up to there. It was just, okay, the first 5 was zeros. Then 12 ones. So up to there it was 17th. So the 18th will start there. So it will be from the 18th, and if I add up this, I think up to 30th position. But the 18th, so there will be the 18th position, but look up to find that number. So basically, we will say that the median, what will be the median? The median will be 2. Okay, don't give this is just the position. This is just if you count, but you must find that number. And because it's an odd amount, that's why there's only one number in the middle.